Here's my offtake of a Larry Hall self-watering grow bag. What I did is I cut a bucket to about 3.5–4 inches, and then I cut these pipes so that they'll go in the bottom of the bucket, and they will provide a little bit of a water reservoir. Then I'm going to take this grow bag, put it in here, and we'll press down on the center of it. That's why I left an empty spot in the center, so that will be able to go down into the water and wick the water up through the bag for the rest of the container. And I'm going to put that blue bucket down in my mulch in the garden so you won't even be able to see that. And I'm going to plant some zucchini in this one. I also forgot I need to put a water pipe coming up to be able to put the water into it. I will get busy and show you the results. Okay, so here's the end result of the grow bag, and I put some mulch on the top. So it has the pipe here to put water in. I planted some zucchini in this one. It's going to come up in there. And then I put the bucket, the blue, down into the mulch so you can't really see it. And there's one I did over here. I put some yellow squash in that one. Bags I'm using here are ones that you can get from the grocery store. They sell them very cheaply, but they are cheap bags, so they'll only last like a season before they start deteriorating. You can buy professional grow bags online. Callie Kim, I know Callie Kim Gardening Channel sells her professional grow bags, which of course would last a lot longer. So if you want to upgrade, that would be a great idea. The goal of my channel is to give you information you need to help you become a better gardener. Let me know how I'm doing in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a like. That actually helps a YouTuber's channel almost as much as a subscription. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. It's totally free. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you again real soon.